Here's another sort of a book drop outside of a convenience store. But the real star of this is the old payphone, which has been here for years and years and years. I believe this was an Underdog. I don't think that's readable. But I believe this was owned by Underdog. This is in Sunnyside. This book's got waterlogged. They left them out during the rain. Good move, right? And that's an interesting one. I don't remember noticing this sign before. This is also in Sunnyside becoming Woodside, I guess. There's no phone here. This one's inside a laundromat, 55th Street in Woodside. There used to be a payphone on this wood surface. Even back then, I thought it was a pretty strange spot for a payphone, but it was there and it worked. I think for a while they were putting announcements up on that space, but they boarded it over. Yeah, so here's a little bit of grim irony. That white square used to be where a clamshell payphone stood, and they put this red emergency call box right on top of it. So instead of being able to make a phone call to call 911, you have to figure this thing out. It does at least offer two-way communication, but it's a lot more complicated than just picking up a phone. And here's yet more false hope. This could have meant that the phone was inside the place of business, but I think I see some evidence that an object used to be affixed. You see the metal poles. So this was probably an outdoor payphone. Or a building line, as I say. I'm filming vertically because I'm having trouble with my regular camera. I'm getting a new one, probably not till Tuesday. So I'm using my phone again. I'm back in Sunnyside. I'm pretty sure I've shown this one before, but the false hope of a phone being here is ironically replaced by tchotchke machines. And I don't know the details of this, but tchotchke and charm machines are one of the things the payphone guys got into when they saw the writing on the wall about the payphone business. So it wouldn't surprise me if that phone sign and the phone that used to be here were owned by the exact same person that owns these charms machines. I like tchotchke because it's a more cathartic sounding word. And also, just a few feet away from those tchotchke machines is another old telephone number, EVergreen 4